This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by accessing Icloud. Calm and opening contacts, this gives you a clean export source. Export all contacts as one vCard file so Gmail can import them in one operation. Once done, quickly scan for obvious duplicates and merge them inside Icloud. That reduces conflicts later. Make sure the exported VCF finished downloading and that you're on a secure network. This prevents partial files or sync errors when you move to Gmail in the next step. Now switch to contacts. Google. Com under the Gmail account you want to use. Use the import function and select the vCard file you just downloaded. Gmail processes large files but may take a minute. As it runs, you'll see imported entries appear. If you exported merged records, that step reduces duplicate creation. Once import completes, make sure to assign a label or group so you can find these contacts easily and verify that important fields like phone numbers and emails mapped correctly. Finish by enabling Google Contacts sync on your phones and other devices so changes propagate everywhere. Once synced, use Google's Merge Duplicates tool to clean up any overlapping entries. This ensures one canonical contact per person. If something goes wrong, for example, the import fails or fields look scrambled, split the vCard into smaller files and retry, or export only a subset to isolate bad records. Make sure to keep backups so you can restore if you need to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.